Hello. So this is now your activity 2. After your stretching and your warm-ups, okay? Alam natin, this is more on taekwondo. So kahit sabihin natin sumisipa pa rin kayo o yun ang dapat yung pag-aralan, you must be able to perform the basic defense. Etong basic defense na develop, whether kayo ay susuntukin o sisipain or kahit ano pang sipa yan, you have the means, okay, to defend yourself. Okay, kaya nyo salagin, and at the same time, perform an offensive or suntok. So, let's watch. This will have a total of 11 counts. Okay. So, number 1, okay, fighting form. Okay. Yung waist natin, yung isang kamay ay nasa side, and then punch. Then, step, outside block, then punch, and then downward block, okay, punch, okay, downward block, then punch, then upward block, okay, then outward block. So, yung outward block, okay, wala po siyang step. So, a total of 11 counts. Let's count it. Okay, 1, fighting form, 2, punch, 3, step outside block, 4, punch, 5, downward block, punch, okay, and then downward block, okay, 9, upward block, 10, outward block, and 11. Okay, so I want you to perform that, okay, just one time. So, kailangan makabisado nyo yan, ha? Kasama po yan sa ating final exam at saka sa mga performance exam ninyo. Okay. So, tip lang po dito, okay, ang block, okay, yun lang po ang may step. Ang punch, wala po siyang step. And, again, remember na, okay, left, right lang po siya. Okay, nagpapalit-palit lang. So again, that's the basic defense, a total of 11 counts. Okay, I hope, okay, so panoorin nyo lang ng panoorin hanggang masundan nyo siya at makabisado ninyo. Again, this will be part of your final exam and performance exam. So, good luck and ibibidyo nyo siya ha.